Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to activate Atome Physical Card. Alright, let's begin. Atome Physical Cards allow you to shop from both online and physical stores, which gives you the option to pay for your purchases through your MasterCard. To activate your Atome Physical Card, follow these steps. Open the Atome app, launch the Atome application on your smartphone and log into your account. Navigate to Atome Card. On the home page, tap on the Atome Card option. Select Activate Physical Card. Choose the Activate Physical Card option. Enter card details. Input the last 4 digits of your Atome Physical Card. Set up card PIN. Create a new 4-digit card PIN to complete the activation process. Once these steps are completed, your Atome Physical Card will be activated and ready for use. So that's basically how you can activate Atome Physical Card. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.